So I want to do a quick fixture inspiration video for anybody that's got the Pierson Workholding vacuum. I built this fixture for an enclosure I got to build that's 1/16 thick all around. Don't know how else I'd hold it besides vacuum pull, so I designed this. But you can see we got a star pattern to help get the vacuum to all the outside of the part, including a perimeter cut. We got the O-ring groove, and I cut it to the same spec that they do, where it's 0.95 deep, 1/18 wide. I've got some 3mm end mills I pretty much just drop in there and slot. But I've got it on the fixture plate, and for locating it, I've actually got these little bars. They're 90 degrees off. They're set to just drop right into the grooves of the plate. So I don't have to do anything special with the plate, no extra bolt holes, anything like that. I've got the groove lined in there. Pretty much just place this down. I gave myself a rough mark of where it goes. And really, it's already in there. Didn't even drop right in, it just fell in. But this is one idea for a fixture you can use when you got a bigger plate. They have to machine really thin. This holds the whole thing in place. But that's the fixture I got for today. Hopefully you can do something creative with it. Let me know if you got any questions.